Hi guys, it's Tiffany. I just wanted to do a real quick safety video for you guys. Working with resin, I love it. And anyone that decides to start working with resin, I want them to be able to love it too. But I want them to be able to love it safely. So, a couple of really important things that I want to make sure that people that are thinking about coming into the little resin world, they have right at the front of their heads. One being nitrile gloves. Always wear gloves. I have a few different pairs. I get bored with the same color. What can I say? So I have blue ones. I have purple ones. I have black ones. I have pink ones. But the nitrile gloves are the ones to get. Also, as far as masks go, this type of mask works great if you're sanding, not for working with resin. You need an actual respirator type mask. I'm not trying to get you to buy this particular one or anything, but this type. It has the cartridges, they're removable, and when you're looking, it says use for protection from certain organic vapors. Epoxy resin, they put off while they're liquid, they will put off organic vapors. So this is the type you're looking for. Something that will tell you that will protect you from the organic vapors. Okay? And then the last little thing, it's more of a protection for your workspace. I was getting ready to do a project when I thought of doing this for you guys. Notice this has not been opened. Not yet. We're going to use a pen, a needle, but we're going to use a paper towel too. And this is why. Puncture it that very first time. That one didn't spray. Well, got all over my fingers. That one didn't spray out as bad as some. But notice I have my mold right here. It got none on it. And that's why I always put paper towel with it. So, you have a great day. I hope you join in on having fun with resin. Bye, guys.